Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learning Kids. So today I am here to discuss some visual discrimination activity with you for your kids 3 to 5 years old. Some activity will be useful above 5 years old. So let's start. So in this activity there are some images which I have drawn on the paper. Now what child has to do, give one image to match with a given image. They will see that where is the same picture which they have, and they will find the position of the image and will place it. This might be very easy for us but not for the kids because they are still developing their visual skills. In this activity, we can take one A4 size sheet and some pop sticks and draw some random color circle on the sheet. Same as we color the ends of pop sticks also and will match it. It will help to develop hand-eye coordination. In the next we have some different pictures, so kids have to find out which one is different. Here we will take some pegs, and when we will find which one is different or odd from the other pictures, we will clip it by using wooden pegs. It also helps hand-eye coordination and motor skills. In this activity, we take one whole image which includes some different shapes and take cutout of the same matching shapes. The kids have to look which shape come where, so they will place it accordingly. I request to try this activity once to improve thinking abilities. It will also help child to identify the similarity and difference between size, shape and the position of the image. Some kids might have some visual problem, so using this activity will be able to improve their visual skills. So in our today's last activity, we have some half circle. Now how come the placement of half circle will be? You have to first find out what will be the half circle and where it will be going. You have to find out which grid will go where. It's quite difficult, so you have to be patient with your kids. This video I would like to share that all the activities which I have shared, it's not my idea. I have taken inspiration from the internet, but the design of idea by me. So if you like the video, don't forget to
share, subscribe.